sing out, I'm bursting into life. Like a sea that's floating out, I'm bursting into life. So take 2 steps left, 2 steps right. Turn around, shout, I'm alive. Touch your toes and jump up high. Celebrate now, it's springtime. Like a bird.
Hello, hello, my dear kids. How are you today? Good? Brilliant? Oh, I'm so happy to hear it. So, let's introduce you. This is a stork, my friend. And this is a magpie. Hello, kids. Hello, hello. How are you today? Nice to meet you. Okay, my friends stork and my friend magpie, they will show and they will help me to show you pictures about birds. Let's remember the part of the body of our bird. Look at this picture. It's a stork. Well, let's see. What do we have here? The first, it's a head. Guys, do you have head? Yes? Show me, please. This is your head. Very good. The next, it's an eye. Do you have eyes? Yes, people have eyes too, like birds. The next part, it's a beak. It's a beak. The next part of the body, it's a neck. Our stork has a long neck. Guys, what about you? Do you have a neck? Yes, of course. Can you show me? Yes, this is our neck. Very good. The next part of the body, it's a back. It's a back. Show me, please. Do you have back? Yes, this is our back. Very good. The next part of the body, it's a wing. It's a wing. How do you think? Do we have a wings? Guys, how do you think? No, only birds has wings. Very good. The next part of the body of our bird is legs. Legs, 2 legs. And 2 feet. Very good. And of course, what I forgot? I forgot about tail. Guys, what do you think? How do you think? Do we have a tail? Something like that, yes? But no, we don't have tails. We don't have tails. What about you? Maybe you have tails? No? Very good. Now, I want you to repeat our birds, migrating birds of Ukraine. Okay? So, you remember this? It's a stork. It's a stork. Please repeat after me. It's a stork. Very good. Guys, you're so smart. The next migrating bird. It's a goose. It's a goose. And a lot of geese. Very good. The next. Do you remember this bird? Yes, you're right. It's a swallow. It's a swallow. And this bird has 2 wings. Do you see? It's 2 wings here. And very interesting tail our swallow has. And the last picture. You know this picture. You know this bird very good. Because it's a crane. It's a crane. Now, I will show you the part of the body of our crane, and you should repeat, what is it? What do we have? You should remember. At first, our crane has, what is it? Yes, it's a head. Very good. The next part. What is it? Yes, it's a neck. Don't forget to repeat, okay? The next part of your body. It's a beak. Very good, guys. You're so smart. The next part of the body. It's a wing. Very good. The next part of the body. Look at the picture very attentively. What is it? What do we have here? What is it? Yes, very good. You know, it's a back. Very good. The next part of the body is very short. Our crane has very short tail. Very good. The next part of the body. Our crane has 2 parts of legs. Very good. And 2 feet. By the way, 1 foot and 2 feet. Very good. So, now we will make a physical train. Are you ready? Please switch on the music on the computer and we will dance with you. Please look at me and repeat. Okay? Are you ready? Let's go.
It's time to leave the nest for the big blue open sky. It's time to leave the nest. We'll show you how to fly. Take a tiny hop and then a little jump. Stay steady on your feet. Try a bigger leap. Take a tiny hop and then a little jump. Stay steady on your feet. Try a bigger leap. Just flap your wings together and get ready to take off. Just flap your wings together and we'll meet you at the top. Just flap your wings together and get ready to take off. Just flap your wings together and we'll meet you at the top. A hop, a jump, a leap. A hop, a jump, a leap. A hop, a jump, a leap. That's it. A hop, a jump, a leap. All together. A hop, a jump, a leap. You're flying. Just flap your wings together if you want to learn to fly. Just flap your wings together, you'll be soaring in the sky. Just flap your wings together, it's as easy as can be. Just flap your wings together we'll be flying oh so free.
Very good. You were so great. You danced great. So, at home you will have home task little bit, and I was glad to see you, and I hope that we will meet together very soon. Bye bye.